Hello, welcome again. So this is another fully funded scholarship. So this scholarship usually doesn't have a fixed opening date and usually closes as soon as it is opened. So if you are seeing this scholarship early, then you are very lucky. So let's go straight to the scholarship. This scholarship covers tuition, health, and visa fees, and it also gives you a stipend of €500. So, who is the scholarship intended for? The scholarship is intended for a bachelor's degree. It's also intended for a master's degree. And this scholarship funds 170 students, which is a large number. So, 110 bachelor scholarship and 60 master scholarship. And this scholarship cuts across various disciplines. So I'm very sure your discipline or your course of study will be among the fully funded scholarship in this video. I'll be showing us detailed application process for this scholarship that will help you put up a strong application. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and also like and share our videos. So this is the Slovakia Scholarship for international students. So if you are from these countries listed here, all over the country, from Europe, from United States, from Central and South America, Africa, Asia, in fact, all over the world, as long as you're international, not from Slovakia, then you are eligible for the scholarship. So this is the African countries that are listed here. So a lot of African countries are eligible to apply for the scholarship. This is Nigeria, Ghana listed here that can apply for the scholarship. So to apply for the scholarship, first of all, when you go through the website, I'll be dropping the link to the website in the description of this video. So don't just go straight and click the link to the website and go to start applying without getting the necessary information you need. So, okay, so this is the scholarship application page. So, one of the things you need to go look out for are the course of studies. So, you go here, who is the scholarship intended for, and you come here. That's to view the list of the selected specialization or study programs. You visit the following website. So, we'll go through this website. So when we come here, you see the document of the list of funded scholarship. So this document is in Slovakia. So this is a translated copy here. So if we go to the list of the courses, we'll find various disciplines that are funded here. So you don't just pick any discipline or any program. So here you find the program code, which you should take note of, the code of the program, which you should take note of, then the particular discipline itself. So there are various disciplines funded. There's architecture, biology, various disciplines. For the largest number of discipline funded that I've seen. So here you will find whether it's for a master's study or for a bachelor study. So this bachelor means bachelor study and this magister means master study. So if you go through that list of the programs that are funded and you take note of the program code and the university you'll be applying to, then once you have done that, the next step is to check the eligibility criteria. So the eligibility criteria is basic. You have to be a citizen of a country other than the Slovakia. So that makes you an international student. You must not be from Slovakia and you must not have a permanent residence in Slovakia. Then you must not have studied your secondary school in Slovakia, which means your bachelor's and your master's certificate should be from outside Slovakia. So applicants for a bachelor and combined master's degree who have admission to a public Slovakia higher institutions already, they are also supported by this scholarship also. So if you have already started your program in Slovakia, you can as well apply for this scholarship. So it's also for a full-time in-person study. So it's not part-time. Then scholarship application must include a structured CV in English and a motivation letter. So you find the template to download in the website. Then no upper age limit applicants under the age of 18 will need to hand sign. We need a hand signed approval from their legal guardian. So those are applying for bachelors are under 18 years old. You need a guardian to sign on your behalf. Okay, so then the selection criteria. So for the selection criteria, you will need a SAT test, very important. A SAT test or a SCIO test, that's SCIO test. You will need either of this, either this or this you need. And for the SAT test, you will need a minimum score of 1,100 points. So if you want to take the SAT test, you go through this link. But I think the deadline to take the SAT test is already out, which is June 6th. But if you want to take the CO test, you go through this link. They said here that the test is offered several times in a year. So you can check if they still have any available tests that you can put in for and apply if you don't have the SATs or the CO test. What documents will you need to put together for the scholarship? So you will need your passport photograph, you will need your solemn declaration of permanent residence. They don't require that you have permanent residency in Slovakia, so you need to sign a declaration form stating that you are not permanently residing in Slovakia. So the template will be available to download for you during the application process. Then also you will need a Slovakia living abroad with Slovakia citizenship if applicable. Then you will need, so this is now applicable to international students. Then you need consent of legal guardian for processing of minor applicants' personal data. That's if you are a minor. Then you will need a certificate with SAT test result. Then you need your acceptance letter from the higher institution if available. So they said here if available, which means if you don't have it, you can also apply. And usually this application is in two stages, the preliminary stage and also the final stage. So during the preliminary stage, you can always communicate with the higher institution and apply for admissions. So that is not a problem if you have not gotten admission yet. Then you need your CV, then you need a motivation letter. So the template is available for download. So this is the essential documents you will need for the scholarship. So the application deadline for the scholarship. So the deadline is 31st of July 2026. So after you have gathered all the necessary or important documents you will need to apply for the scholarship, the next thing is to go to the first page of the application and click submit an application. So once you click submit an application, you get to register, log in and start the application. So this is the breakdown. This is the breakdown of the application process. So the first step is to create an account and register. So these are the information you need to create your account. Then you choose your preferred study, which those programs I just introduced us to. You choose your preferred study, then you enter your test result. Then when you have done that, then you choose whether you're applying for a bachelor's degree or for a master's degree. You need to put the test score. After that, you have put your test score, then you upload all the required documents. And after you have uploaded all the required documents, then you review your application. So if you have done that and once you are eligible for the scholarship, definitely you'll be considered for the scholarship. So I wish us good luck in the scholarship. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and also like and share this video. See you next time.